Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul, and I've tried all these products on already, and I'll cut to little clips where I've used them so you can see them on me. I just finished, so I'm wearing a full face of what I purchased. So if you want to see what I got in the VIB sale, then just keep watching. So the first thing I got was this Tatcha, and it's the silk canvas, and it is the filter finish protective primer. So I've been wanting to try this for a long time, and it's very expensive, so this is probably something I would only buy on sale. It's very bougie. It came in this protective covering, but it's absolutely beautiful, and you'll see that in how I use it. It comes with this little disc. I'm not sure how often I'll be using that, but it's beautiful nonetheless, and I feel like it helped my foundation go on really super nice. So we'll see how this foundation lasts throughout the day. Secondly, I got this Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the foundation flawless long-lasting coverage in SPF 15. So Sephora has this cool thing where if you're looking for a foundation, they'll color match you through the app. So you can say what you're looking for. Like my thing was SPF matte, and I forget what else I was asking, and then they ask you what other foundations have you worn from Sephora and what color, and they'll color match you. So they color matched me to 6.5, and I just used it for the first time today, and I think the color is absolutely perfect. I feel like this is a medium coverage. I'm not sure if you can build it up. I think I'll try that next time, but it doesn't seem like a full coverage, but I really like it. It reminds me of the Born This Way, although the Born This Way might be a little bit deeper. So along with that, I got another Charlotte Tilbury product. I can't speak. It is their Airbrush Flawless Finish, and it is a finishing powder, which I set the makeup with this, especially with my T-zone. I always like to set that, and it's a beautiful powder. It's very finely milled. I got it in the color 2 medium, and it just melts into your skin. No wonder so many people love this powder. I mean, and look at how pretty the packaging is, but really it's all about the powder, and I think it's awesome. So these products are like, Charlotte Tilbury is not cheap, so if you're looking to get something like this, I would definitely get it now during the sale. Another thing I got is the Charlotte Tilbury's Party Girl Kit. Now, part of this I did not use, and I apologize, because I didn't realize that it had mascara, it had eyeliner, and an eyeshadow stick. So I'll have to use that next time and then update you on that. But really, I bought it for these two products, which are the lip cheat and pillow talk, and the lipstick and pillow talk. I think these are like expensive, or especially the lipstick on its own, but I thought, well, if I buy it in this whole kit, and it's not a big deal, then it's really not a big deal because I got so many products. But if I really liked it, then I could buy it in the bigger size. So I did swatch those for you right there. So that's the lipstick and pillow talk, and then the lip cheat. And I do have those on for you today, although right now I have something over it, which I will show you. So also, this is the Color Chameleon Amber Haze, and it is, it says it's for brown eyes. So that's cool because I have brown eyes. So I'm going to swatch that for you right there. I would have loved to put that on today. So pretty. And then they have a bedroom black. So it's Rock and Coal. Awesome. I love to get like eyeliners and stuff like that in gifts. So that is the color there. So it is definitely a kohl liner, and I love that because I hate straight black, especially in pencil eyeliners. Kohl's just seems a little bit softer. And then this is full fat lashes. So I'll have to check that out. I've never tried anything by Charlotte Tilbury, so this is what the brush looks like. You know, right now I'm hooked on Flower Beauty Warrior Lash. So what I have over the Charlotte Tilbury lip sheet and the lipstick and pillow talk is the Fenty Beauty lip balm, or not lip balm. It is called the Gloss Balm in Diamond Milk. So I have the other one, which I absolutely loved. I don't know, you can tell it's like half gone. And so I just put that over this just for the sake of the video. I really would like to try it by itself. But I was really excited to get this. I've been wanting to get this for a while. So that's the color. It's really pretty. It actually looks really pretty over this lip color. So yeah. All right, and another thing, I put up my hair just for you because I bought these Invisibobble, and it's a 3-pack, and they come like this. So, and they're very stretchy, and yeah, and I just wrapped like this little pony thing on top of my hair, and it holds very well. Oh my gosh, I was surprised. I really wanted to try it. I didn't have high hopes. I don't know why, but I also wanted something that didn't tear apart my hair all the time, because I use those little like black plastic rubber bands, especially when I wear my hair like this. But it feels really good. It doesn't feel, my head doesn't feel tight, but also I feel like my hair is gonna stay. So I got those. Okay, last thing is this lash comb by the Sephora brand, and it's the Lift Off Lash Comb. And the reason why I got it is, I don't know about you, but once you wear mascara day after day, but you take it off every night, it's like sometimes I feel like I get this buildup in my lashes and I just need to get it combed out. So I really liked this comb. Like, look at these bristles. Like, so I'm hoping just to, or even at night after you take off your mascara, if you just want to clean them up or whatever. And I think you could even use this for your brows, I would think. So, and it's got the little Sephora logo right there. So I thought that was really cute, and it's affordable. So what I will do is I'll link everything down in the description box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any video ideas, things that you'd like me to record, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, have a great day. Mahalo.